If a theme changes how your site looks, a plugin changes what it can do, and with 60,000 plus free plugins in the official directory, there's a real, working solution for almost anything you'd want to add. The real, live plugin manager, every plugin physically installed, with a clear indicator of which ones are actually active right now. The real, official WordPress.org plugin directory, searchable, with real install counts and ratings, browsable directly from the admin. Real confirmation, classic editor now shows as genuinely active, a first-party plugin maintained by the WordPress core team itself. The classic, single-textarea editor now genuinely appears instead of the block editor, a real, visible behavior change from real plugin code. The real block editor is back the moment the plugin is deactivated. Its files remain on disk, ready to reactivate later with zero setup. Genuinely inactive again confirms deactivating stops a plugin's code from running immediately without deleting it. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. A real plugin, installed and activated, genuinely changing site behavior, not just a config toggle. Try it yourself, install a real plugin from the official directory and confirm its real effect.